Welcome to Outdoor Sumo YouTube channel. We'll show you Pyle 12 subwoofer review video. Pyle is not known as the others brand, but this brand is also doing good in the market. If you have any confusion on these subs, then you should visit our Pyle 12 subwoofer review page. Here you will get all the info about these 12-inch subwoofers. You will get the size, sound quality, the price and other information about these subs. So what are you waiting for? Just have a look at it and get yours. 1. Dimensions. Mounting depth 5 to 1/8 of an inch. Total depth 5 to 5/8 of an inch. Cutout diameter 10 to 7/8 of an inch. Diameter 12 to 1/4 of an inch. Features: 12 inches subwoofer with dual 4-ohm voice coil. 60-ounce magnet. Vented pole piece. Silver spring compression. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.